Hi, hello, this is Naresh. Welcome to Naresh Designs. Today I'm going to tell you content aware tool. Okay, content aware move tool. Like previous classes, we discussed about spot healing brush tool, patch tool, and the same thing. This is newly implemented in CS6. Previous versions it's not available. Okay, the CS6 it's available. Content aware move tool. It's very useful for moving and extended images like persons whatever you want. Okay, now the shortcut key same thing, content aware move tool is J only. Okay, just select this. Now in this options will be there here, same add and subtract and extract, and here move and extend, two different options. And adoptions loose, very strict, medium. Okay, and very loose, there is a different options. Now we can just keep it here option move, and I'll take here it's very loose. Okay, I'll just take very loose and just select it for the part you want to move it. Okay, just you select this image, and where you want to keep it, just move it there. Okay, you want to keep it here, just move it here. Okay, now see how it's moving like this. Okay, the birds are here, it's coming here very loose. I'll keep very loose. Okay, just keep it loose and move it here. Yeah, it's more right. There's a different options, like what option you want, and just select it, what option you want, just move it from there. Okay, the option will be move from here, like without damage the background. Okay, like we can use different tools like lasso tool and those things tools, we have to select the thing and we have to separate it. Okay, but this is not like that, just move it. Okay, like this it will merge here. This is like before and after, before and after. Okay, this is the use content aware tool, their option move. Okay, now we'll go to extend. Okay, extend, I'll take one more image. Extend means like what image we want to extend, like the thing. Okay, just take this. Okay, select from here, select it. Okay, and just drag it. Okay, see it's extended. Before, you want to see before, just see this, see like this, like this is the before. After, nothing is damaged, right? Like that. Okay, and you want the same thing here, you want to move it here, just select it. Okay, and drag it down slowly. It's done. See this, nothing is damaged, it's extended like this, like this. Okay, this is the use, like whenever you want to move it from, this is a move option, this is a move option. Okay, content aware tool, just you want to move the images from there to there and you want to move it. Okay, it will useful. And same thing, you want just extend it, like you want images like broad and height or whatever the things you want to extend it and broad it, just useful. This is extra content aware tool, it's very useful for. Okay, you, I hope you guys are understand this class. Thank you for watching.